In this video I will show you how to link WhatsApp and WhatsApp web using phone number. We do not have to use QR anymore. For this, open any web browser on your laptop and then type web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Then press enter. Now you can click on link with phone number option as shown here. Then select country in the first field. Next, type your phone number in the second field. After that, click on next button. Now go and open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Next, click on settings. I am using iPhone, so it is at the bottom right corner. Next, click on link devices. Click on link device button. Click on link with phone number instead link at the bottom. Then you have to provide the 8-digit code that is provided in WhatsApp web. Now you can see you are able to log in same WhatsApp account on your WhatsApp web. It is loading all chats and WhatsApp contact data. In this way we can link WhatsApp web and WhatsApp app using phone number. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.